State and local lawmakers are taking steps on their own to crack down on illegal immigration because the federal government is not doing the job. Now, the state of Arizona joins Georgia and Colorado in enacting tough legislation on employers who hire illegal aliens. Lisa Sylvester has our report.
Starting next year, all Arizona employers must use the federal employment verification system to make sure their workers are in the country legally. Companies that violate the law more than once could lose their business license permanently. In signing the bill, Governor Janet Napolitano wrote, quote, "It is now abundantly clear that Congress finds itself incapable of coping with the comprehensive immigration reforms our country needs. I signed it too out of the realization that the flow of illegal immigration into our state is due to the constant demand of some employers for cheap, undocumented labor."
Clearly, if you secure the border and you slow down or stop the demand for illegal workers in the workforce, then the attraction will be obviously reduced for them to come here.
Napolitano also signed two other immigration bills. One mandates that courts deny bail to illegal aliens charged with a felony. Another requires people to prove legal status before receiving state services. Arizona joins Colorado and Georgia as states with the toughest immigration laws on the books, requiring new worksite enforcement. Nearly 1,200 other immigration measures have been introduced on the state and municipal level, according to the National Conference of State Legislatures.
The states, precisely because the conditions on the ground are so dire, they don't have the luxury of filibusters and backroom deals. I mean, they've got to address these conditions on the ground there.
Business groups say the new laws are an unfair burden.
I'm calling this bill the immigration drive-through bill because all a person has to do, it seems, is drive through another person's business, call the Attorney General, and they have to be investigated.
Although Governor Napolitano signed the bills, she said the new employer law has flaws. She says it doesn't have enough funding for tracking corporate violators and lacks discrimination protections for legal residents.
Napolitano sent a letter to House Speaker Nancy Pelosi and Senate Majority Leader Harry Reid asking them to review the federal basic pilot program to ensure that the system can handle the additional workload. Right now, 15,000 employers use the basic program nationwide. Arizona alone will add approximately 140,000 new businesses to the system. Kitty?
Thanks very much, Lisa Sylvester.